So what does it look like when I get in here and I start to relax? I watch TV. I know that there are a lot of you that want your camping channels to look like you come in and you like write a book and you're Ernest Hemingway and whatever. No, I've been driving all day. So here's what I'm doing. I'm going to watch some TV. I'm going to monitor that heater because I killed my battery the other day running it. I'm going to eat a snack. That is probably everything that I'm going to do. Oh, I've got to move some files and stuff over too. So we're going to do a few things. So let's get to that. So now that the work is done, we're going to lay this flat. I just have too much stuff up here right now. I have a bunch of stuff being stored, and so I can't sleep up there. So dinette flat in 3, 2, 1. All right, and there you have it. One bed, certified bed for me. I think that we did all right. I think I'm going to hit this sack, the hay, whatever they call it, because it's been a long day. I have driven, I just looked, 1,500 miles in 2 days at about 60 miles an hour. So you do the math. Tomorrow we're going to see the lake. But for now, I'm going to watch Tokyo Vice. I'm going to go to sleep. So until tomorrow, good night. Good morning. It is pretty cold here. It is pretty cold. It's cold where I came from though too, so it's not like only cold, but I'm going to basically, I've already actually got the dinette and stuff back up, but I wanted to show you, this is where I'm sleeping. Whew, it's cold. So we're gonna go drive the lakes, check them out, and then probably hit the road. So we'll see, but we're gonna start with the lakes today and we'll see how far we get. Good morning. We are outside. It is freezing. There is a guy in a canvas tent. I don't know. We're gonna go to the lakes now. We are up. We are at them. Yeah, I'm cool. Let's hope the car starts. Okay, just like that, the car has started. So we're in a good spot. We got half a tank of gas, so it should be plenty to get through the park and keep moving. But still in my pink shirt. I'm not taking a shower anywhere near here or in my car. It's too cold. So we're gonna hit the road. Started driving, but like, come on, you had to get that right. Whew. It's beautiful here. Who knew? Who knew Canada was beautiful? Everyone knew. Everyone knew. That's the answer. Apparently this is what it's like to wake up in Banff. It's amazing here. Look at this place. Pretty cool. Who knew? At Lake Louise, I was hoping to get a picture of the car kind of going around the lake, but I looked, there's literally nowhere you could do that. So here we are in the parking lot at Lake Louise instead. This is that really super famous lake that's teal, but it's frozen solid. So instead of showing you a very teal, cool frozen lake, I think I'm gonna walk on it because I've never walked on a lake and I figure I should. Walking on a frozen lake has always been something that has been very frightening to me. But this one has so many people on it, I don't think I'm that worried. So here we go. We are heading out and we are walking on Lake Louise. It's pretty cool. All right, so we are walking on the frozen ice. I wonder if I ask really nicely if they'll let me knock a goal or whatever they say. Knock a goal? Can I knock a goal? Hi mate, can I knock a goal? He can't knock a goal. Let's see. ¿En español o no?
Ah, como tú prefieras.
Okay, I am here with my friends. ¿Cómo te llaman?
Juan Luis.
Juan Luis. Ferran. I'm here with my friends, John Lewis. Juan Luis is John Lewis, huh?
Yeah.
John Lewis.
He's the owner of the lake.
Exactly.
Ese es su lago. This is his lake, and he's gonna let me take a shot on goal.
Please.
I've never played hockey on a real hockey rink. It's really hard how it's not smooth, huh? That's why they have Zambonis? Yeah. Okay, how far back? Like from here? I don't know, I'm not gonna hit it, probably.
Oh!
Well, I guess I'm better at hockey than I thought I was, and I've now played Canadian hockey, so, thank you. Gracias a ustedes. These guys are from Spain, and they live out here now. It's like so cool how you can just change everything, right? You go from Spain to playing hockey on a lake in Canada. It's so crazy. It is crazy to me. But yeah, just this is such a famous lake. It's so weird to just be walking on it. Let's see if Juan Luis tiene que ponerla. De ahí, de ahí. Oh, casi. We're just walking through I think it's called the Lake Louise Chateau. Everything smells like cologne here. It's actually kind of interesting. But we're down in the shops, just warming up for a minute. And then I think we're gonna head out. This place is kind of fancy. Actually, it would be really cool to stay here. So yeah, we'll walk through, check it out, and leave. Well, actually, I want to see what else is down here. Let's go down here. And then we'll leave. Got some shops. And we'll go in a minute, maybe. No, I think we'll just go. Let's just go. We are gonna get out of here. It's a little bit too upscale for me. I don't know if I can hang here at the Chateau, so getting a lot of weird looks in this place. Anyway, we are gonna go get back in a little Baymax, and then we're gonna get gas, and I still gotta find a sticker from here somewhere, I guess. It's a very cool place though. Very cool. I wish the lake actually was not frozen. It was kind of cool to walk on it and play a little hockey, but I don't know, it's not the same. So let's get out of here. We are back in the car, the van. These old snow tires are doing surprisingly well in the snow, so this is a good send-off. This will be their last trip. We've got new wheels and tires coming, so this is probably going to be the last real trip with them. Lake Louise was cool, but it's also a little bit of a letdown just because I did want to see her in her summer glory. So we'll come back. Anybody want to go? Let me know. A little bit of a hat change, feeling a little fresher. We made it to gas, which we needed, and I know that you guys like seeing lots of gas stops. So this is Lake Louise Village. There are 2 gas stations. One has diesel, one does not. So if you need diesel, you go to the Shell, not the Petro Canada. Go to Shell. I was actually a little bit nervous I was going to have to drive into another town and use the gas can. Yes, so here's where we're at. We are just leaving the lake, and we're going to head that way. So maybe hit the hot spring. I don't know. I'd look like a grizzly bear in that hot spring, I'm sure. Disgusting. But if it feels good, it might be okay. Tim Hortons, day 2. And we're in the same clothes. I'm a different kind of man now. I don't change my clothes. Oh well. All right, no real updates. I am in, actually, again, I have no idea where I am. This is how I travel. I have no idea where I am ever. And we do the craziest, longest drives ever. So I'm gonna run in. Maybe I'll put the van actually real quick, take a quick break, and then we're gonna hit the road. All right, so from here, it's pretty basic. Essentially, what you do is you leave Banff and you drive into Calgary, which we just saw at least the gas station, right? But pretty much from Calgary all the way through to Regina is like this. In fact, I would almost say pretty much from Calgary all the way until you hit the Ontario province line. It's like this. So basically drove from Calgary down through Moose Jaw and to Regina, which I would think would just be Regina, but it's Regina. So enjoy your night when you arrive in Regina, where I also almost ran out of gas again getting to, but I did all right. So just a pretty fun trip across the heartland of Canada, where I would eventually make it to the Planet Fitness and set up camp for the night. Okay, so this is going to be my first attempt at a urban stealth camping Planet Fitness situation. Planet Fitness here is not open all the time, so I'm a little bit worried about how this is going to work out. But I think, I don't know what source they'll do. Tell me to leave? I'll leave. Yes, we made it. We had some gas scares again. Didn't hit the cans. I'm trying to get this thing warm. It's 20 degrees right now, so I'm going to let it run for a few, get the heater running, and should be a good night. All right, good morning. We made it. A couple of weird things overnight. This place completely filled up by the time I got here. Maybe a lot of people go to the gym. I don't know, but yeah, had a couple of cars like I heard kind of circle me last night, which was weird. It's 20 degrees. You can see my breath inside the car, but we're gonna go in and get a workout and a shower.